Hey guys, this is AM Auto Detail. So we're gonna show you guys how to do a headlight restoration, and let's get started. Some of the products I'm gonna use is Meguiar Headlight Restoration Kit. So what you get in that package is these products. This is a clear coat we're gonna use, and this is cleaning solution. They also give you this pad. So first off, we're gonna use the tape and put tape around the headlight so the paint won't get scratched. You can find these products on the link right below. Well, actually, let me show you first what the headlights look like. That's how that one looks like, and this is how the other one looks like. Okay guys, so we're gonna use the cleaning solution with the pad to sand down the headlight, and we're gonna try to leave it frosty. Okay, so before you use this product, I guess you have to shake it well. Okay, so now you just apply it to the pad. You apply this quarter size. Okay, that's good enough, just like that, not that much. You also want to do this in a shade or something, because this solution dries fast, and you want to spread it around the headlight. You don't want it to dry right on the spot. So just work your way back and forth. Make sure you don't put any swirls. Just go back and forth. Okay, once you're done sanding the headlight and it looks frosty, the next step is to clean it with the microfiber towel. The label, the headlight. Still some. Look, it's still. Okay, you clean this with water. Next is cleaner. Clean with water. Once the surface is clean, you just apply this headlight coating. It's a clear coat.
once you spray the first coat, you wait a few minutes, and you're gonna do 3 layers of clear coat. Alright, spray the first one, here goes the second one. There you go, second clear coat. There you go. I sprayed 3 coats of clear coat. First we sanded down the headlight to remove everything that was on it, and then we sprayed the 3 coats. And this is a closer view of how it looks. See, it's already looking better. Okay guys, so this is the final result. Looks way better than when we started. Hey guys, if you liked the video, please like and subscribe.